dumpster rental service in Totowa, New Jersey. When you need an efficient dumpster rental service in Totowa, New Jersey, D&A Contracting offers reliable and affordable options. Whether tackling a home renovation, a major cleanup, or a construction project, having an appropriately sized dumpster is essential for managing waste effectively. D&A Contracting offers a wide selection of dumpster sizes to accommodate any project, from small residential cleanups to large commercial construction sites. Our dumpsters are designed to handle various materials, including household junk, construction debris, and yard waste. One of the key benefits of working with D&A Contracting is our prompt and flexible service. We ensure timely delivery and pickup, allowing you to focus on your project without worrying about delays. Our team can help you determine the right dumpster size, so you only pay for what you need. Navigating local regulations in Totowa is easy with D&A Contracting. Our knowledgeable staff can help you understand any permit requirements, ensuring your project runs smoothly from start to finish. For dependable dumpster rentals in Totowa, New Jersey, contact D&A Contracting at 973-809-3846. Our friendly team is ready to provide the best solutions for waste disposal needs.